Do you like your raincoat? Oh!
Oh no!
She just bonked her head.
Yes, she did. Little girl.
Ooh, wow, that's really reflective. Mika, come here. What are you doing? Hey, Mika. I can't see you. Do you want your raincoat off? Do you want your raincoat off?
She looks.
Don't bite it. Take it off.
Mika, Mika, you want to take off your raincoat? Come here. Come. Good come. Alright, let's get this off. I think that's the right way. Alright, hold on a second. Okay.
And then the middle part has a Velcro.
Oh, yeah. Okay. And
then you just pull it over her head.
okay. Ready? Ready? There we go! Oh, stuck in the arm. Okay, I got you. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
What a silly girl. Mika. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna